What have I got left? Not many.
Two first, because you only get three.
Second last then, eh?
You can say it that way.
Alright. We're underway. Ooh. Ooh. 7-4.
Yeah.
4-7. Ooh. Ooh, plunder. Clear plunder that fell short by a fair distance.
What?
Oh yes. Oh fuck! Oh. Almost vomited. 8-5. Oh fucking. What's in it? Oh. That was long.
Thank you. That's right.
Tense. We're in the back half of the set. Oh. Oh. Pulled my racket back to let it go out, hoping. It's not a lot of time to fuck around with like points with these short form things. Can't stand. Almost a plunger.
Can fix.
Mother. Bop. What was it? 7. Oh, plunder!
Don't decide that every time I hit it. Drop out.
Oh, drop.
8, 10.
It grounded before the net. It's a plunder. 6, 7. I am. What are you?
I think you got
9.
It's 8, 10.
Oh, it might be. 7, 9, or 8, 10.
Yeah, what is it? Actually, I don't know.
I don't know.
What do you think it was?
I wasn't really following it.
Earlier it was 6-4 when you were serving, so 6-4.
Yeah, I was counting my score, but I wasn't really counting yours.
8, 6.
I thought I was 7, but I might have missed the point. Maybe.
9, 7.
9, 7.
Yeah.
It's better. 10 sucks for me. Sucks.
Well, I'm not entirely sure that makes more sense.
So how many have I got left? 2?
Yeah.
Very well. The red. Mother. Oh, there it was. It was either going to come off or it wasn't. 9-8.
Fucking smoke's getting in my eye.
Nice pass. Problem is, like, those out of point, like, skills usually don't transition to the court. I appreciate the haze. Might hold up. Another air. Oh, fucking misses it! Misses it! 10-8. Matt's a bit proud. Oh! 10-9. Last serve.
Orange out.
10s.
No, shit coming. Going. Gone.
Didn't think I would get another serve in this set. This rubber. Oh, fucking. 11-10. Last serve. And takes the rubber. Nice work.
Lucky. That's lucky.
Unless you intended to do it, then in which case it was genius.
11, 8? No.
12-10.
12, 10. Oh, yeah.
Mother. Oh. Oh, yeah. Very good.